Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to share Hyderabadi Marag video, which is very simple and easy to make and tastes yummy. It can be served as starter before main dish with naan bread. So let's begin with our recipe. For it, I have taken 500 grams of washed mutton with bones. In pressure cooker, and added 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, whole garam masala, one bunch of coriander and mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, kebab chini and black pepper, and add 1 big scoop of oil. Now add 4 to 5 glasses of water and pressure cook until your mutton is perfectly soft. In another bowl, I am soaking handful of cashews, handful of almonds and handful of pistas in lukewarm water for half an hour. Now peel the skin of almonds and make a fine paste of nuts with milk. And now our mutton is cooked soft. Now take 2 medium sliced onions and heat ghee and oil in a run pot. Now fry onions until lightly brown. Add green chilies, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, stir well, and add cooked mutton with stock. And now add the paste of cashews, almonds and pistas. At this point you can even add cream and curd for a rich flavor. Now add black pepper 1 teaspoon and add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix well. For 5 minutes give a boil on high flame and add salt 1 teaspoon. Now add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now lower the flame and close the lid. Add mint and coriander leaves. And add lemon juice. Your wedding style tasty mutton marag is absolutely ready to serve. And now serve lovingly to your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed the video. I request you all to please comment, like, share and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. दुआओं में ज़रूर याद रखें. जज़ाकल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.